Hello, fellow Helldivers. I fucking hate fire tornadoes! I see so many Helldivers complain about the hunters, stalkers. Don't get me wrong, they are fucking annoying. But oh my god, nobody ever talks about these ugly ass piece of shits that we call fire tornadoes. I've died to fire tornadoes more than I have to hunters. Not to say some shit, cause I go head first into fucking battle. But they always fuck me. I'm not joking. They gangbang me. It's fucking annoying because every single time that I'm doing a sub-objective or anything that's just like, I'm just chilling, nothing's going wrong. Yeah! Fire tornado, here we come. It's a fucking parade on my planet. Fire tornadoes kill you instantly. If you're in that bitch, you're just fucked. I haven't seen anybody call this shit out, but they follow you. They try to make it like really unnoticeable, but if you pay attention, these fucking fire tornadoes are following you. So fuck fire tornadoes, motherfucker.